So you've heard us talking during this course about ritual. And this, of course, is what we refer to as a ceremonial ritual. Yeah. Ceremonial rituals are for that opportunity, that for the sake of celebration. One of their reasons. Ceremonial rituals actually have many, many purposes, and celebration is one of the wonderful ones. Ceremonial rituals also serve to take us deep within ourselves, some kinds of ceremonial rituals. Ceremonial rituals can serve to connect us with that 75% which is unseen in life, and to be able to take that and draw it out into the visible, into the world that we can experience with our senses. And ceremonials provide us the wonderful opportunity to connect. You know, this kind and many kinds of ceremonial rituals are really for the purpose of creating community, right? Of creating that richness of life, because how cool is it that we have each other? Isn't that true? Yeah. And so I'm going to take a moment just to remind all of us and remind you that ceremonial rituals have these 7 aspects that you've been observing as this course has gone on. First, that intention. Second, the preparation and purification. Do you think it took some preparation to have all this together? And we cleared out the room to put the chairs all away. So some preparation, some purification. The use of symbols. And we have many symbols on the walls, around the room. The flowers themselves are symbols, are they not? And the fire, absolutely. So and then activating the senses through beauty and through light, through connection, through color, through smell and through music, through hugs, touch, all of these things. And then we have some prescribed performance, which in these rituals, Janet is the master of. She has this amazing ability to create this structure and to create an experience that we can all enjoy. And then, of course, repetition, doing it again and again and again. And you'll see in our courses we always have a ritual like this. And I hope that you, as this course comes to a close, that you will structure celebratory rituals, ceremonial rituals, connective rituals into your lives, into your work, into all the things that you do. And then lastly, to invoke the unseen, which we'll do in a moment. Yeah? But to be able to be open, to receive and accept support wherever it may come from. And so I encourage you, you'll find in your workbooks in the last lesson is a place for you to go through and design your own ceremonial ritual for events like this or for your own events, where, as we've just been going around and appreciating each other, that when you have family together, have friends together, when you're celebrating a birthday, you're celebrating an anniversary, how wonderful it is to give each person the opportunity to be appreciated, to rediscover why they're loved and how they're loved. And have you noticed that we don't do that nearly enough in many of our families? So this is our opportunity to take one of the ancient customs, traditions, rituals, and to bring it into this modern world and use it to enrich our lives.